Hello folks, we are at the Giant. There's a lot of bolster here. Curtains. Just now I bought this one. Mm. Yes, correct. Lots of bread. Mm. Cheese sticks. Mm. These are local bread. What's this? Honey, you buy orange. Mm. Yep, this bagels. Bagels cheese plain. Honey! Honey! Okay. Almond triangles. Okay, this is the thing I buy. We are the Giant IME Mall. Jordan, Singapore, May 21, 2026. This one. Naku, listen for walk so fast. I bought this one. This one is also black. Yeah, Giant. 155. Yeah, Giant supermarket. Oh, my favorite. I don't need to buy first. I eat already. Honey! Oh my gosh, this man is really a terrible man. You see, he walks so fast. I'm buying things and then he walks so fast. Parang naman walang utak. Uy! Don't walk so fast. Here's a fish area. Smell. Honey, milk fish only lang. No, don't buy that one na. I buy a rice cooker. Then this one is you want to spend, but what can you do? Things are spoiled already. They have this thing here also. All this thing they also have here also. Giant supermarket. What is this? You have to buy vegetables. This one how much one? This one how much one piece? 250? 250 yeah. 220. Can I buy this one? Honey! Honey! Uy! You come here. I buy breakfast. I buy chicken first. Okay. Come, I want to buy chicken. One pork also. Two for 6. Where's the pork? Honey, walk slowly. I want chicken here. The chicken is here. Come here, honey. Honey, come here. Chicken drumstick. Now they can have rice. Oh, here. Yeah, chicken cuts. 5.95. Frozen chicken cuts. Pork. Big pork. Where's the pork? Frozen pork. No, but oh, come here. The pork is why the pork color is like so. I need to. Okay, I need to is. By dito. But why the pork is like that? I need 2 for 10.
2 for 10.
Okay. No expensive already. Before I used to buy this one before cheaper only before. $5, $6. No, it's expensive already. Okay, Lani na. Honey, here. Honey. Prata. Giant prata. How many pieces? How many pieces? In Lucia, they put 6 pieces. Chinatown. How many pieces? I did not put how many pieces. Dapat we need to put. Honey, I get eggs first. Come here, honey. Honey, fruits. Honey, fruits. They have grapes here. Grapes. This one is what? I need two for 350. Excuse me. I need two. Excuse me. I need two for 350. I'm not friendly. Bangkot naman ng Honey, come. Get juice only. Okay, okay, that's for tonight, folks. Okay, so enjoy. You know, Giant Supermarket, Jurong, Singapore. There's this. Enjoy Singapore.